Hello, welcome to Spy Money. It has been a while since I've been on YouTube. I've got a lot going on, just taking some time off and doing some trading and spending more time doing my personal stuff, so it's kind of fun. That's the best part about trading is you can go out and enjoy life. You don't have to work that 9-to-5 job. And I haven't worked a job actually since back in the early 90s. I've been self-employed about all my life, and so working a job is not really something that I've ever really remembered doing. It's been so long, probably 35 years ago. But I just try to trade, make my money, enjoy life a little bit, and I want to shed some light on what Spy Money's been up to. So some good things going on. One is we do have a live webinar tonight. If you want to get a live webinar and learn what we're doing with this here, the very simple strategy. Just to give you an idea, right here would be a trade, $275 you could have made on an ES contract that costs $500 with AMP, and then right here is another $200. Right here is another $325. Right here would be another $112.50, and right here is another $250, and there's $225. There's $175. I think you get the idea here. Right here is $312.50. Right here is what, $162.50. There's another one of $87.50. So lots of trades in here, more trades here, a lot more in here, and it just keeps on going, trading all day long. Right here was another one, right there at the end of the days are $300 just on one contract. Now just think if you would have a little bit of money in your account and you could trade, say, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 contracts. If like this trade right here, if you got in 10 contracts, that would have been $2,375 if you were in 10 contracts. So pretty good deal. And if you want to learn how to do this, go to our website, spymoneyllc.com. Put your first name, last name, email address, subscribe. You're going to get an email. Once you get that email, then you want to go ahead and click opt in. And when you click on that, it will put you in the system. And then whenever I send out the notification, then you will get it. So if you've already registered, then you will get that. You should have already got it, actually. I've sent it out earlier today. But if you haven't, I'm going to send it out again at 7:30 today. So if you get signed up after 7:30 Eastern time today, then you probably won't get it. You'll have to wait till the next one. And I don't know when I'll do it, but I'll probably do several this week. I'm not real sure. I do not record these for the public typically. So if you don't get signed up and watch it, then you probably will miss it. Now, there's one thing about the lease program that has changed. So if we scroll down here, the price, $975 a month. There is no more coupon. I took that away. And how did we get our price down and why? There's a couple of reasons. One is we used to use the Spy Money platform with Quantower, and I went ahead and quit doing that, and I went to where the user has to lease the platform directly from them. This is going to save me a lot of time getting things set up, and it's also going to allow me to get updates out quicker. The updates have been delayed because I have to get everything to go through Quantower, but now they're just going to go through me, and once I upload them to the website like you used to, we have an exe file, so all you have to do is just download it and then run it, and it will automatically put the files where it's supposed to go. So that's a good thing. And so any of the updates or anything is almost instantaneous from when I send them out. So just a matter of you downloading the file and it automatically puts it where it needs to go. So doing that saves me a lot of money monthly that I don't have to spend to have the platform. And I did it originally, and I thought it was going to be a great idea, but as it turns out, it's just kind of more hassle, and it was worse. So doing it this way is going to work out real well. Everybody's going to get the same service that they had before. The only thing different is if Quantower releases a a new prop account or this or that, I don't have to add it to mine, and it was causing issues in that way. So you're going to have everything that Quantower offers, plus there's going to be some new things coming in that are going to be part of Spy Money Only. For one thing, Spy Money Bars, we should have that out about this week on it, and the only way you're going to get that is if you have the lease. So that's going to be coming this week. But we have other ways that we can trade and make money, and using this right here, it just works out real well. We figured out some things that do a pretty good job. Some people still like the Spy Money Bars better, but I think this right here, you're only looking for one trade. If you can get one trade and be done, that's all you need. So the price is now at $9.75 to get started. If you want to go ahead and get started, you put in your first name, last name, email, phone, country, state, and you agree to these terms, and then when you click submit, that will get you the link to get signed up. That's what we're doing with it. We want to make sure that you understand the rules, and if you don't understand the rules, then you don't want to spend money. And if you do understand the rules, then you go ahead and apply for the lease. We have a lot of people that have been there for years, and we have some people that will come and be gone in a month because they can't follow rules. You do have to follow rules. It's a very simple strategy, and if you can follow the rules, then you should do very well. For instance, this right here, the only thing we're looking for is there's a couple signals in here, but basically we're looking for to be above our man of war, have a green background, have a green caret right here or before it, and then have a green bar. This would be a perfect signal right here, and that's $237.50 up to right here, but it actually went all the way to $612.50. If you can make $150, $200 on each trade, that's really all you need, because if you do that and you go ahead and go in, say 5 contracts, and if you're doing 150, that's $750. You only need one of these trades a day. As you can see, these trades just keep on going. Yeah, this is at 10:44. If we go back earlier in the morning, right here's the 9:30 open. A lot of people love to trade the open. I usually don't, but there's a lot of trade. Perfect signal, perfect signal, perfect signal. Right here is not a perfect signal, but that is an entry right here. The next one, perfect entry, perfect entry, perfect entry. You only need one of those a day. And if we go back a little bit and look, right here's another perfect entry. This is at 3:49. This is the London. Right there's a perfect entry. So there's a lot of perfect entries in here. This one right here didn't work out too good. We got down 62.50 and then popped back up. So this will probably been a loser. So there are losers in the game. Right here's not a perfect entry, but it's an entry we were taking, and it paid off $350. So there's all kinds of entries in here that you could do. If we take this and go, say, 10 days. So go back to 10 days and just scroll back. So I'm looking for, I don't even know what day this is, but let's look for, a lot of people love to trade that open. So right here is an open. Right there is a signal. You could have got $75 out of that. May not have taken but a break even out of it, but right here's a perfect entry. There's $112.50. Right here's a perfect entry, $300. This would be kind of an entry, but I wouldn't have taken it. This would have been my first entry, and that is $250. Right here is an entry for $125. Right here is an entry for $150. Here's another one for $262.50. So there's all kinds of entries in here that you can do. And it's just a matter of following the strategy, and we do have a bot that will trade this strategy even. So you can turn the bot on and let that bot trade that strategy, and just be there to monitor. You can't turn a bot on and walk away and go to work. You can't do that. You got to be here with it, make sure that things are going fine, and do it that way. But if you want to go ahead and get into the training tonight, then just come up here to the home page. When you scroll down, you want to go ahead and register for it right here. Once you do this registration one time, you will be in the system forever unless you decide to opt out. But you'll be in, so anytime we do a public webinar, it will be in here. And love to get you started on it. Again, look at these right here. This is a good possibility of what you may or may not make. And not everybody makes money. A lot of people can't trade the rules and they will lose money. But if you trade the rules, then you should be pretty good to come out with a pretty decent day. So just figure out, how much money do you want to make a day? Where would you want to be? Is your job, do you work all day, make $200 a day? Well, maybe you do 2 trades at one contract and you get that $48,000 a year. Maybe you're very blessed and you're making $1,000 a day and $250,000 a year. So to make $1,000, if you have that kind of money, then you just go ahead and trade more contracts. If you traded 5 contracts, you could do 1-2 trades and be done, and that's only a $2,500 trade, so it's not that much. But let's get you started. Tonight, 8 o'clock, get signed up. I will send out the email at 7:30, so make sure you're watching your email and look at your spam folder just to make sure that there's nothing in that. If there is, just put a filter in there for @spymoneyllc.com, and that way you don't get the spam. Our email is going to spam. That's right here. Please add this right here. That's all you have to do. And we'll look forward to seeing you tonight. I start 8 o'clock sharp, so if you come in late, you're going to miss it. Get there early. Go ahead and get signed up and get joined in the webinar before 8 o'clock. Make sure everything's going good. You can join them with your phone or your PC, your tablet, whatever you want to do. Looking forward to seeing you all tonight. We will be doing more webinars. I'm back in my Kentucky house, so it's a lot easier for me to do things here than it is in South Carolina. But I do have some traveling coming up in the weekends, so we're going to try to do some webinars during the week to help people out. Love to get you started today. It's very simple. We're going to go over the process tonight. I'll show you the back end to show how everything works. It's very simple. It's not hard. So we'll see you tonight.